All right, I am with Isaac Keza of Holloway Guy, and we're going to talk about interior demolition today. Isaac, really appreciate you jumping in here to help us answer some questions. What do we need to think about when it comes to interior demolition?
So the main thing before you start interior demolition is making sure all of your utilities are cut off. So making sure the power and water are turned off. You want to make sure it's turned off from the meter, not your breaker, for the power, and then just have the water turned off at your meter as well. Besides that, as long as you're not taking down any walls, you're good to go. You can have a start. We don't have to pull any permits. So as long as we're just taking the sheetrock and insulation, we're good. Same thing with flooring, ceiling. We can go ahead and we can pull all those items out for you without having to pull any permits.
Awesome. And that was kind of my next question. What all can you do? You mentioned, the drywall, flooring, ceiling, stuff like that. I know you guys can do, bathroom guts and stuff like that. Can you kind of run the whole gamut here for us on all the interior demolition you can take care of?
Yeah. So we can do everything from small, like the kitchen cabinets. We can tear out all the kitchen cabinets, countertops, leaving everything else. We do jacuzzi tubs. So if you have a built-in jacuzzi tub in your house, we can cut that out, remove it from the sheetrock, from the flooring. We can remove just the flooring if you need. So if you have a rotted floor, we can come in, cut it out, go to the studs. We don't remove studs, but we can go to the studs. Same thing with your walls and ceiling. We can go all the way to the studs. So all that sheetrock insulation, if you have plaster walls, wood paneling, whatever you have on the walls, we can remove it for you.
That's good stuff. Appreciate your time, Isaac.
Thank you.